Our ability to, mesh up, combine, ingest, and add value and triage different data sets is critical to everything that we do. The value perception in the marketplace it's about how you automate those financial services today. But we're doing it in such a way that we enable new data-centric products to be delivered tomorrow. We have the concept, which we talk about with our customers, which we call a unified data model. And that's really a way of actually coming up with a standard database on which you can do various other things. But if we look at AI and machine learning, it very much is enterprise grade at this point in time. The problem is the data is not there yet. So this unified data model, we're building in all of those future data capabilities which will enable banks and corporates to actually start running very interesting AI and machine learning value-adding activities on top of that unified data model going forward. So we actually have to do both. And you know, that's the fun bit about our job. We are enterprise technologists, essentially. That's the DNA of who we are. We get badged as a fintech, but we kind of identify more as being a deep tech enterprise software company. And solving the duality of problem is the fun bit of what we do. So actually, we do both. So today, where the market is, what they want in order to move to the maturity curve is actually better digital financial services. But we deliver those digital financial services to a bank, and that bank actually then uses those in order to provide better customer experiences and better digital services for their customers. But we do it in such a way that the next generation of services which actually add value to the whole ecosystem, we've already constructed the foundational platform and the data set in order to be able to do that. And it's extensible in lots of different dimensions. You can add in new components which are built by us or by somebody else, new data sets which will simply extend the data model, and will have the same sort of normalization and transformation capabilities built into that new data as we acquire it. So what we think is happening in the marketplace is effectively automation. That's where there's a lot of value add today, and that will go over the next couple of years. Beyond automation, we can provide brand new data services which add value to the whole ecosystem. So what does that look like? So we talk about platform as a service today. Tomorrow we'll be talking about things like credit as a service. So the Bank of England, for example, is keen to push a new platform which they call credit file portability. We think beyond that, because credit file portability suggests automating the way that bureaus and banks do credit today. We think there's probably much better ways to ascertain creditworthiness of different types of customers in the marketplace, both consumer and business, that haven't even been thought of yet. So we want to provide all of the consistent data services which enable people to assemble new value creation activities in different ways, in that example around how you assess creditworthiness.